Today I'm going to show you how to fix the too many requests error on Outlook. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes. This error is really frustrating because it prevents you from signing into Outlook or your Microsoft account. Luckily, the fix is simple and I'll walk you through it step by step. For this example, I'm using Google Chrome, but the process is very similar in other browsers too. First, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, select Settings. Now, on the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security. Under this section, look for third-party cookies and select See All Cookies and Site Data. In the search bar at the top, type Outlook. You'll see cookies related to Outlook appear in the list. Click the Delete button next to them to remove them. Next, search for Live and Microsoft as well, and delete any cookies connected to those services. Once you've cleared them, go back to your Outlook page, reload it, and try signing in again. In most cases, this will fix the error and allow you to access your account without any issues. And that's it. Your Outlook too many requests error should now be resolved. If this tutorial worked for you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone else who might be struggling with the same issue.